Option C is designed to track savings in our projects. It can also be used to set targets for energy usage. To do so, right-click your meter and select New Measure. A measured child item will be created under the meter. In the Setup tab, we can name our measure and set the effective dates, which determine the measure's start and end. We can also select whether to include utility costs and set the specification options, which will determine how the measure is applied. In the History tab, we find the measure register. Different time periods are available from the Time Periods drop-down. Note that changes here will reset the measure register, so make your selection before entering data. Targets can be entered as percentage or flat values, and will be based on the baseline for the corresponding time period. If your meter includes demand, demand columns will appear here as well. Positive values denote increases, while negative values denote decreases. The measure register will auto-repeat, so only a year of values need be entered. Option C's default is to repeat the last 365 days of values entered, or the first 12 rows through a set date. The auto-repeat can be manually overwritten by clicking the Manual checkbox and then entering a custom value. Once a measure has been entered, we can view the target usage in the Meter Scenario Inspection tab. Make sure Target is selected. Target usage will appear as a red line in the chart.